Good morning, guys. Hey, it's Nate from Pirate Island here. I just want to say good morning and thank you to everybody on the hunt. So we spent a lot of time and effort on this, a lot of money goes into it, and without you guys, it'd be all for nothing. So it makes it a lot of fun that you come with us. So thank you. We really appreciate it. Now, I'm going to give a few tips this morning, a few hints, because I get a lot of questions, and I know some people are getting frustrated. You put a lot of effort in, you haven't found the treasure. I do want to tell you, on all 5 legs, the easy part of the hunt is supposed to be to find the beautiful spot in nature. I picked 5 places that I think are treasures of their own in the state of Wisconsin, and I want you to check them out. So I try to make it fairly easy to find these 5 places so you can get out there and adventure. Then it gets really hard, as a lot of you have found out. And a lot of people keep contacting me. It's gone. I don't see the treasure. I know it's not there. We've gone to everyone. We keep doing it. So I know they're there, guys. They're hard to find, but it's doable. And every leg there's a marker. With exception to the video hunt, there's always a marker marking the spot. We went and checked on it. The video hunt, you're looking for that rock in the video. And the best piece of advice for the video hunt is to watch it just like it says in there, or like a treasure map from beginning to end. That's your map, beginning to end. Now that doesn't mean right when you get to the last slide, it's just going to be sitting there waiting for you. You may still have to figure something out, but that's the best way I can say to do it. And that one's just a rock, no marker, and the rock is not buried. For 3 of the 5 other legs, this is what you're looking for, is the chest just like this, and it has a clasp on it, and that's for the other 3 legs other than the rock and the water leg. The water leg is a waterproof case you're looking for, but again, you're going to not be able to see it. You'll have to look for the marker, and nowhere will you just see this chest. You have to find a marker of some sort, and I don't always tell you what that marker is. So, but there will be one, and once you see it, you'll know, and then you'll have found it. It's over. You'll contact me, and you'll have $500. So that's excellent. Like I say, we've checked on all 5. We'll continue to do so. Doesn't mean that stuff doesn't get disturbed. So I went to one of the spots, and like a raccoon had dug the chest out. It was unbelievable. It was opened up. The letter was laying a few feet away, and there was claw marks in it, and it poked holes in it, and the check actually got a little wet. I put it back in there. I haven't got to replace it yet. So if you find that one, you're going to find a wet check. However, we'll get it. We'll still pay you, obviously, the $500 if it doesn't dry out or whatever. But or I'll replace it if I get that back there before you do. But pretty neat, and if anybody would have walked out there that day, it was wide out in the open. But I have restored it, but once I go away, it's a good reminder something could happen to our markers, and I will go check them from periodically, but I can't promise they're always intact. So there we go. So next I want to say hunting season coming up. So those are your hints. Watch the video hunt from beginning to end. Every leg has a marker, and I've showed you what the chest looks like for 3 legs, then a waterproof box and the stone. The only thing visible to the naked eye is the stone. That's just your recap. Okay, those are your hints. Hunting season coming up. Be very careful. Okay, treasure hunters should always be the most important people, but sometimes not everybody sees it that way. So when other people are hunting, wear bright colors or make a lot of noise in the woods. And for gun season, I think for deer season, just stay out of the woods is probably the best idea. We try to do it in safe spots, but I cannot promise every place is free of hunters or anything like that. I just want you to be really careful. So I want to say have fun out there, and good job picking up trash. I've been very proud. Out of all the places I've been, it's been really clean, and I can see where people have walked, but I see no permanent damage. No trees are hurt. If we flip over rocks, let's just flip them back. And honestly, the fall's gonna come, leaves are gonna fall, then snow, and by spring, it's only gonna be great memories we have of these places. There'll be no permanent damage of our hunt, and I'm really proud of that. So good job, guys. And we're public landowners, and I think we're doing a good job to keep it nice and keep picking up the trash so we make it look even better than before this started. Next thing is, this is hard. I want to say that it is a hard hunt, and it will be a hard hunt, guys. And I appreciate you coming along. If we made it easy, it'd be over right away, and I can't have that. And so we're getting a little craftier. We try to make it hard, and we try to make it fun but solvable. So I want to say we want to make it doable for all people too. And I know some people have contacted me. We really try to make it so just about anybody can participate. We try to make it really affordable at 10 or 15 bucks. We don't do this to really make any money. In fact, none. We really do this just to have fun. And as long as people really enjoy it, we'll keep it going, and we try to keep it affordable and doable, really. So, let's go out there, have a good time, and as long as, we keep making it fun and don't destroy anything, we'll try to keep it going. And hopefully as the weather gets colder, the wasps will slow down at section 1 so somebody can find it. And go out there, have fun, man, and enjoy it. Who gets to go on a real life treasure hunt? Well, you do. and we do. So let's enjoy it. Let's have fun. It's pretty cool, I think. So thank you for coming along, and have a great day. And find it before the winter, because we're not going to stop this thing until they're found.